can't believe I stumbled upon this abandoned Subway Surfers Lamborghini deep in the woods.
Look at this mess. Moss everywhere and the paint's all faded from years of neglect.
It's a Jake's Lamborghini Aventador from Subway Surfers, but it's been left to rot. Time to inspect what's salvageable.
Brushing off these leaves, I see the cool Subway Surfers decals underneath all this grime.
Peeking inside, the seats are covered in dust and there's junk all over the place too. And look, someone's Subway Surfer style cap is still sitting right there on the seat.
These wheels are rusted bad. Moss has taken over the alloys completely.
Dents and scratches everywhere. This car has a story to tell from its abandoned days. The spoiler's cracked. Nature really did a number on this beauty. Standing back, it's clear this Lamborghini needs a full revival from this sorry state.
Feeling the rust under my fingers, Bo. It's time to start bringing her back to life.
All right, time to get this Subway Surfers Lamborghini out of here. So, hooking up the tow and pulling her to the workshop.
Starting with the basics, brushing away all this loose dirt and forest debris.
Uncovering those colorful decals, they're starting to show through the dirt. Getting into the wheels now, moss comes off in satisfying chunks. Getting into the wheels now, moss comes off in satisfying chunks.
Inside the cabin, dusting off the dash to see what's underneath. Mirrors are caked. Brushing them clean feels so good.
Tackling the rear too, exhaust pipes hidden under all this grime.
Already looking better after this initial dirt removal sweep. Time for the pressure washer to blast away the stubborn mud. Blasting the bumper clean, the red paint is peeking through. Rinsing the sides. Subway Surfers art is coming back to life.
Hitting the wheels hard, rust and moss washing away. Washing the roof mellow, water flows like a river over the curbs.
Carefully cleaning inside, dust turning to mud and rinsing out.
Back end getting a thorough rinse, Bo, looking fresher already.
One last full rinse, she's shedding all that abandonment weight. Starting disassembly Capnane, removing this battered bumper first.
Headlights are toast. Just taking them out for replacement.
The door is coming apart to fix what's inside.
Wheels off now. Time to address the undercarriage.